Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the browser and triggering the update. Make sure you have a stable connection and enough battery or are plugged in. Close heavy tabs and pause large downloads so the update can use resources. Then open Chrome's menu, go to Help, and choose about Google Chrome. Once you click that, Chrome immediately checks for the latest build and begins downloading any available update. This is the first actionable step to get you moving quickly. You'll now monitor and manage the update download. Let Chrome download in the background. Interruptions slow or corrupt the process, so avoid force quitting the browser. If you need to use the computer, keep Chrome open but idle. On the About page, you'll see download and verification progress, and the current version plus the new version Chrome is fetching. Once download and verification finish, Chrome prepares the files for installation. This step ensures the update is ready before you relaunch. You're at the finish line. Click Relaunch so Chrome installs the update and restores your tabs. After relaunch, revisit About Google Chrome to confirm the new version is active. Make sure auto updates are allowed by your OS so future updates install seamlessly. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reinstall Chrome using the latest installer. This often replaces any corrupted update components. If that fails, check Firewall or Enterprise Update Services that might be blocking Chrome's updater.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.